Let's take a look at a couple of ways to record dry cow treatments. There are two options really. First is if you're just going to have a simple dry cow treatment with, say, just one type of tube. The second method allows you more flexibility to record further treatments of different types of tube. So the first method, let's just go in from the quick links. So I simply click on dry off. I'll enter my list of cows that I want to mark as dry, and on the following screen you can fill in the detail of the drying off event, but also if you've got medicine stock items that are marked as dry cow tube type, then they will appear in this drop down list with the batch number and the expiry date. So you simply pick the item that you want, enter the number of tubes, and then press dry off. That will put the cow into the dry breeding state and also record the detail of this dry cow therapy. Let's just go back to the home screen and have a look at the other method. So if you're going to use more than one type of tube or administer further medicines, we'll use the record treatment option. So again, on the first screen, select the cows that you want to mark as dry, and this time you've got a full range of medicine treatment options. So you've got medicine 1 and medicine 2 potentially, so you would just pick the detail of the dry cow tubes and the number of tubes used, and then if you were going to use a second type of tube, you would pick it here, and again fill in the detail of the quantity used, and then complete the rest of the detail. Now the medicine treatment screen, this treatment screen will allow you to mark the cow as dry. So remember that we're primarily entering a medicine treatment, but as it's a dry cow therapy combination, we want to also mark the cow in the dry breed state. So when you've completed the detail of medicine 1 and medicine 2, you must pick the reason as dry off, and then when you save the event, the multiple treatments will be saved, but the cow will be moved to the dry state. If you wanted to use medicine 3 and medicine 4, you would press the add entry and record another. That would keep the same animals selected that you'd picked on the previous screen, but it would give you a new blank card. I'll just mention that if you want to record individual quarters, click the link, and again it will show you the list of those brand numbers that you've selected, and you can then tick which quarters specifically that you've treated.